Happy New Year. It is January 13th. I'm at the Goodwill in Menomonee Falls. I am Jen with Rustic Rehabs, and it's 15 degrees out. Well, let's go get our thrift on. Pretty crisp and sunny, but chilly. I did some cleaning out last week, and this was one of the things. I bought it for $5 and they're selling it for $7. So have fun, somebody, upcycling this. Things with birds on always do well, and this sold right out of the gate to Gloria, one of my local customers. I need a 6-month vacation twice a year. That's pretty funny, but I'm going to leave it there. I did pick up these Mr. and Mrs. signs that I turned into the sweetest little bunny pictures live on Facebook. We used the JRV 4 bunnies paper, rice paper for that. It was super easy, and one of them sold. One is still available. If you'd like to join us to see how to do things like this, we are starting a new membership program called Virtual Open Paint. We'll paint together live via Zoom twice a month, the first and second Wednesday of the month. I will leave a link down here so you can join, because I want to connect with you and create all kinds of great stuff. I have some customers that have backyard chickens and they love them very much. So I picked up these 2 Be Kind and Be Sassy chicken signs. They are on my wall and my website. Found these Edison lamps with marble bases. They're so cool, and I only had one at first, and then somebody else walked by and said, there's another one, so I had to grab them. They are on the website and in my shop. They look really good staged on my new sofa or foyer table, Austin, so check them out. This guy is $1. I guess that's less than the $1.25, which is, I'm pretty sure, where he came from, but we are going to pass. I did grab this pumpkin for $4. We will put that away for fall. And this guy, I believe, had a chip in him, so we left him, but he's really cute. Drop me a comment. Do you collect cookie jars? Do you still use them? Because I think I might start picking up vintage ones, but want to see if you guys even care. I tend to always look at Christmas, but we had a huge haul with a lot of Christmas at the bins a couple of days after this trip. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to go back to Facebook or YouTube and check it out. It's been a really popular one. These deer, I don't know if they're solid brass, but they're made in India, and they got snagged by my friend and customer, Rebecca. The big ones were going for $140 on the internet, so holy moly. These I asked if we should have picked up or not, and I did pass on them, and I have a feeling they're gone the next time I get there, but they're pretty cute. So this past week was double points at my Goodwill. Yours may vary. People are all upset about all the changes, but there's nothing I can do about it, so I'm just moving on. This next week coming is 5 off of $25. So if I see something, I might have to go back and pick it up when it is part of that sale. Faux mercury glass candlesticks and vases do pretty well for me, so I'm very attracted to that faux bling, I guess. They had a ton of floral this week, but nothing that I probably don't already have at the shop in storage. But it is time. I did start to sneak out some of the spring stuff and the bunnies, and you guys are already buying the bunnies. So keep your eyes open as we continue to unpack and find new treasures. I just liked these. They were 99 cents each. Nothing spectacular, but super cute. And this hook was different, but not for me, so we put it back. This cow was cute, but nothing I haven't seen before. I do kind of wish I would have bought it now, but I put it back. I am a sucker too for these big dice. A couple of them were pretty rough, so I left them there, but I did grab 2 of them. And we put them on top of our checker table. Have you seen this little table that we turn into a checker table with storage? It is so cool. I can't believe it hasn't been bought yet. This shelf would be very cool painted. I think it would pick up the detail really well. But then I noticed when I was putting it in the cart that it's resin and it had a chip. I could fix it, I just really don't have time. We did grab this jewelry box though, and we will give that a refresh. If you want to come in and do a jewelry box, we have classes for that too. We love piggy banks by us, and this one was in pretty good condition. Not vintage, but it's an older one from Target, and it still even had the stopper. So we cleaned her up, and she's available. Cute little ashtray. But I did pick up this basket. I guess it's a basket bowl, and we flipped it on Wednesday night as well, and it's sold to Susan. We did pick up these faux mercury glass candlesticks. They were originally 40 bucks a piece. I got them today for 7 each, and they are on the website. They're pretty cool. I especially love them with these icy little half spheres. I think those are the last 2 of those that totally scream winter. I couldn't put them away yet. It's still winter. I'm starting to add spring, but I love those so much. This would look very cute with some faux succulents in it, and I almost picked it up, but I have a few things like this to fill already, so we left it. This little gal was 10 bucks, which is more than I would usually pay, but she's pretty cool, and I sold one like her really quick this Christmas. This is a Pampered Chef big old measuring cup, and I bought that to keep at the shop for when I make hot chocolate and stuff like that. Thanks for watching along today and shopping with me. We spent $130 today and got some stellar finds. Please subscribe or follow and give me a thumbs up. I will leave you with a few pictures of our paint class on Saturday and some new items we just added to the shop. You can always shop our website, rusticrehabs.com, and we're open in store from Tuesday through Saturday every week. I hope to see you again in the next video, and I appreciate all of your kind comments and happy remarks. Take good care.